I've worked with countless exchanges before and consistently being one of their top partners. And so in this video, I'll show you our exclusive Mexc referral code, which gives you up to 8,000 USDT in sign-up bonuses, plus a permanent 10% rebate on your trading fees. The code is MEXC-CNJYT right here on the screen. And just a heads up, this is a limited time deal, so if you're interested, make sure to use it before it expires. You can also use the code on the article I'm showing you right here. It gives you the exact bonuses. When you use our codes while creating an Mexc account, you unlock the best benefits possible. Use the direct link in the description and in the comments, and in the article, it automatically applies our exclusive code so you do not have to type anything. Our exclusive code gives you a 10% lifetime fee discounts on both spot and futures trading. On top of that, you get 5 USDT the moment you register and another 3 USDT after you finish KYC verification. Mexc also runs deposit and futures trading volume campaigns that can push your total rewards all the way up to 8,000 USDT. Now, if you trade regularly, even a small fee reduction saves you a significant amount of money over time. Now, let me show you exactly how to apply this exclusive code and claim the rewards. First, click the Mexc sign up link in the description below or in the article I'm showing you. It takes you directly to the official registration page. During signing up, make sure to enter referral code MEXC-CNJYT in the referral code box. This step is very important to unlock all of the bonuses. After creating the account, you must complete KYC verification as soon as possible to get the extra 3 USDT. Next, make your first deposit. You can use card, bank transfer, or crypto. Finally, head over to the Events tab or the Rewards section. This is where Mexc lists the simple tasks such as deposit and futures trading volume. As you complete all of these tasks, your available rewards unlock step by step toward the full 8,000 USDT. And that's all you need to know. If you want to take advantage of the offer, make sure to use the code before it expires. And again, the code is MEXC-CNJYT. I will keep updating the bonuses and trading discounts, so no matter when you're watching this video, you'll always get the best rates possible. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more exclusive codes and deals like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Daily out.